All right, good morning. Today is Monday, February 19th, 2024. We're here at Lone Star Bucket Trucks in North Fort Worth, Texas, shooting a quick video of our 2008 GMC 7500 forestry bucket truck. This truck's four-wheel drive. I've been speaking with a gentleman in Missouri named Steven, looking at this for his tree company, and asked us to shoot a video of the motor underneath the truck and then operating it from the bucket as well. So got the hood up here, going to show you the motor here, and then I'll start it up. Try to let you see, try not to move the camera around, but trying to give you angles of everything. Here you've got the driver's side valve cover and the spare bars. Those are the air lines coming along the bottom that are colored. This is the air compressor for the brakes, your main serpentine belt. Let's go around to the other side, and then I'll start it up and you can listen to it run while I've got the hood up too. Everything's kind of crammed in there a little bit. Let me show you the undercarriage as well. There you've got your transfer case for your four-wheel drive, your rear drive shaft, your front drive shaft. I'm trying to get where you can see everything. Let's go around in the back here. Front differential, your steering. Okay, now I'm going to start the truck. Make sure it's in neutral before I do. Climb up in here. Any exhaust leaks. The 8.1 is pretty famous for either cooking the exhaust manifold gaskets out or even cracking the exhaust manifold gasket or the manifold itself. And it all sounds good. So obviously no warning lights or anything. Okay. Back here. Okay. Now I'm going to go set the phone down and I'll fire up the pony motor. I'm assuming you want to watch it operated off the pony motor. It can also be operated off the PTO as well. But I'll cut the main engine off, start up the pony motor, and crawl up in the bucket. I do have a bad leg, so it's going to take me a little bit of time to hop up in the bucket, but we'll get it done. I'm going to set some tape on there so it doesn't blow my camera over. There we go. right, Steven, let us know if you have any other questions or concerns, if you need anything. If this truck works for you, great. If there's anything about it you don't like, we can find you another one. I think for what it is, it's a good truck, but you'll have to make that decision. So I'll get this uploaded and get it sent over to you right now. And just let me know if there's anything else you need to see. I did want to tell you that the hydraulic lines that are hanging there from the bucket are just extensions for the quick connects. For hydraulic tools, they can just be popped off. That way someone has, you know, a longer lead for hydraulic tools if you use them. A lot of people don't use them anymore, but that's what those are. I didn't want you to think that was a sloppy rehose job. It's like, you know, like 3 or 4 foot extensions for the quick connects. So, all right, give us a call and let us know. Thank you.